How to use ChatGPT for medical information? Well, you can easily use ChatGPT for medical information in many ways. So you can open up ChatGPT. Now, while you won't be able to get the exact opinions that you will get, the sessions or exact information that you'll get from a doctor, you can use ChatGPT if you do not understand anything, if you want to understand any medical reports, or if you want to get a particular help. Right? For instance, if you have a document of your blood report or any report test and you do not understand it, and you can simply ask ChatGPT by tapping on the plus icon, opening up the chat. Then you can take the picture, or if you have the picture already, then you can select it and then you can send it. Like I've done, so I've selected this image and I've asked it to explain it to me. So I can do that similar, explain to me in a term that a simple person will understand and make me understand it as such, and then it shall provide you. If you want detailed report, you can ask it to explain this in detail, explain that particular report in detail as well. Similarly, if you need any recommendations and you're having problem with your health, such as you have pain in your lower legs on the back part, then you can type it in, I have problems with this, I have this kind of symptoms, and ChatGPT will be able to summarize your symptoms and tell you the potential or the cause of it. But you'll have to, however, visit the doctor. Keep that in mind. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.